If you want more FPS and a smoother gameplay on Windows 10, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the best and safest settings to optimize Windows 10 for gaming. Make sure to follow every step carefully to avoid any issues. Before making any changes, let's create a restore point. This helps you roll back your system if something goes wrong. Open Start menu, search. Create a restore point, open it, select your main drive, click Configure, turn protection on, then click Create and give it any name. Now let's clear unnecessary temporary files. Press Win plus R, type temp, press Enter, and delete all files. Again, press Win plus R, type %temp%, press Enter, and delete everything. Now type prefetch, press Enter, and delete the files there as well. This frees up space and improves system performance. Now open Power Options. Go to Control Panel, then Power Options, then click. Choose what the power buttons do, then click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Here, turn off Fast Startup. Fast Startup doesn't fully shut down your PC, so disabling it helps with better performance and stability. In Power Options, select High Performance. Now click Change Plan Settings, then change Advanced Power Settings. Expand PCI Express, then Link State Power Management, then set it to Off. Expand Processor Power Management. Minimum processor state, 100%. Maximum processor state, 100%. Click Apply and OK. If you want even better performance, open Command Prompt as administrator, paste the command given on my website, press Enter and close CMD. Now go back to Power Options and select Ultimate Performance. Now open the Settings, then System, then Storage. Turn Storage Sense on and set Run Storage Sense to every week. This automatically removes junk files and keeps your system clean. Go to Settings, then System, then Remote Desktop, and turn it off. This saves background resources. Now go to Settings, then System, then About. Then click Advanced System Settings, then under Performance, click Settings, select Adjust for Best Performance, then click Apply and OK. Go to Settings, then Personalization, then Colors, and turn Transparency Effects off. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Startup. Turn off all unnecessary startup apps. This improves boot time and gaming performance. Now, go to Settings, then Gaming. Turn Xbox Game Bar off. Turn Game Mode on. This helps Windows prioritize games. Now go to Settings, then Privacy, and turn off unnecessary background permissions as shown. Always keep your Windows updated to get performance improvements and security fixes. That's it. Your Windows 10 is now optimized for gaming. If this video helped you, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Shadow GFX for more fix and optimization tutorials.